Good afternoon. My name is Gary Dyer, and I'm with Parallel Technologies. And today I'm joined with Todd Pugh from Sugar Creek. Let's get right into it. Todd, why don't you tell us a little bit about your background, who you are, and a little bit about your company and organization?
I'm Todd Pugh. I am the CIO of Sugar Creek Packing Company. We are a protein co-manufacturer, primarily in proteins. Our primary product is bacon. I've been with the company for 21 years. The company's been in existence for over 50. So we've been doing this a long time.
Well, being the CIO comes with a lot of diverse responsibilities. Everything from understanding the technology to understanding the business as a whole, and then how the two merge. What do you think the qualities are that make for a successful CIO?
I guess mainly it's diversity. Being able to, like you said, being able to talk to the network team, the server team, the developers, but also being able to talk to the executive team as well, learning how the business goals and how to merge the business goals with IT goals so that we're all marching in the same direction. Sometimes it's a vast chasm that we have to cross to merge those two together, but that's the biggest challenge.
Yeah, I've often said that IT guys in your position are the translators. They translate that business need, that technology need. So I've jokingly said to someone before, "What do you do for a living?" "I'm a translator."
Exactly.
Could you share what you've been there a long time. What are some of your top priorities and challenges in that manufacturing space with technology?
Currently, we're in the process of moving to a new ERP system, and that's our biggest challenge today going forward. But keeping us up to date, keeping it safe, keeping the product flowing and shipping, it's day to day that you have to manage the details, but with an eye towards the future and making sure we progress as the company progresses.
Well, that's I understand changing out ERP can be a full-time job just by itself, let alone all the responsibilities you have to keep going. In your industry itself, with packing, what are the unique challenges that Sugar Creek has that are kind of industry specific, would you say?
The biggest challenge that's unique to the industry, I would think, is the plant floor equipment. You buy computer desktops, you buy laptops, you buy hardware to make everybody's job easier. But when you put it on the plant floor, that's where the challenges really start. We run primarily 16, 18 hours a day, and then the remaining time is cleanup. We tear the plants down every day and wash everything down from ceiling to floor with high pressure hoses. So, equipment is the IT equipment, especially, is the last thing that gets moved out of the way. Mm-hmm. So making sure that it can withstand the water, withstand the temperature changes, withstand all of the cold, the hot, the water, the handling, that's what makes it a little more of a challenge to keep going.
Wow, the environmental challenges of the equipment. I've never thought about the complexity there, where most people, it's in a closet, it's going to stay there and not move. It's going to be a regulated temperature and a regulated humidity. And where in your environment, you're actually having to move parts of your infrastructure each day. That has to be a whole set of challenges.
Exactly. Just finding equipment that can withstand the water hoses. We don't even talk to vendors about plant floor equipment unless it's IP66 and typically 67. So it's got to be able to withstand direct contact with water, and that's hard to do with electronics.
Wow. Yeah, it's a very interesting topic. Procedurally, then, for a place like that where it's not just set in stone, like you said, you're tearing it down, you're moving it, whatever. So I would assume in a position like that, process procedure must reign supreme for you.
Absolutely. Our cleanup crew, they have strict process quality control people as the plant comes back online every day. has strict procedures that have to be met as well to satisfy all the USDA and FDA requirements.